Get ready! This integral is an absolute banger. It's a legendary trap.
It looks like a total nightmare, designed to ruin your day before it even starts. But look closer. Why does this numerator feel so familiar?
Wait, that's a gorgeous, perfect semicircle. Pure geometric magic. The catch? It's being held hostage by this messy monster downstairs.
Standard tools? They will hit a brick wall instantly, I promise.
Calculators will choke. Most textbooks treat this like a forbidden secret. But if we stop acting like a machine and hunt for the hidden symmetry, we can solve this in our heads. But first, let's see why the standard way is a death trap. Look at this absolute banger! Isn't she just menacing?
Is she as innocent as she looks, or is she hiding a dark, messy secret?
Curious. Look at that gorgeous semicircle sitting in the numerator. Pure geometric perfection. Root 4 minus x squared.
I bet your brain is already screaming trick substitution, isn't it? It feels like destiny, a match made in calculus heaven. So we follow our instincts. We let x be 2 sine theta, and we chase down our differential. A sleek 2 cosine theta. Splendid. This is the superpower that's supposed to save us. But wait. Look at the basement. This denominator is a disaster.
1 plus 2026 to the power of 2 sine theta? Is this a joke?
This is a nightmare. There's no simple antiderivative for this. We didn't solve it. We just walked into a legendary calculus trap. It looks like a total dead end, doesn't it?
But I'll show you the secret path through. Get ready. Okay, get ready, because we are looking at an absolute banger of an integral.
It looks like a total mathematical monster, doesn't it?
Why does it look so aggressive? Let's peel back the layers. First, our leading lady. The numerator is a total classic.
It's just the top half of a circle with radius 2.
Nothing scary here. But then, enter the denominator, the disruptor.
That 2026 gives off major bully energy, right?
On the right, as x grows, the denominator blows up to infinity. Our fraction gets crushed to 0. It's a mathematical erasure.
But on the left, that exponent vanishes and the fraction becomes exactly 1.
Now, let's mash them together and watch the circle melt away. The circle is literally being eaten from the right. Simply splendid.
This is where the plot really thickens. Ready for the payoff?
Welcome to the mirror world. A place where everything flips and the magic happens.
Look at this absolute banger. It is legendary. Oh, but honestly, this is what math nightmares are made of.
See this term? 2026 to the power of x? Why is it here?
It is the ultimate party crasher. No symmetry, just chaos.
But every monster has a secret weakness. We just need to change our perspective, literally.
Introducing the mirror substitution.
If x is negative u, we are flipping the entire universe. Perfectly across the center. It is beautiful. But what happens to our boundaries in this mirror world? Look, the limits swapped places. A total backflip.
Okay, moment of truth. This is getting juicy.
It looks like a total disaster zone, right? But see that negative sign? That is our hero. It sacrifices itself to flip the bounds back to normal. The numerator, completely unfazed. It is chilling. Negative u squared is just u squared. Symmetry is a gift. But that denominator, it is still being stubborn. We need a little algebraic CPR here. Multiply top and bottom by 2026 to the power of u. Clear that negative exponent out of our ray. And boom! The transformation is gorgeous. Now, let's bring all our shiny new pieces together. Since u is just a placeholder, let's call it x again. A dummy variable has no ego. It won't mind. Now, behold! We have created a twin, a perfect mirror image of our original problem. Look! They look different, but they cover the exact same area. Next, we combine the twins for the payoff. It is going to be legendary.
Stay tuned.
Okay, take a breath. Are you ready? Because we're about to witness a mathematical miracle. Look at these two. Long-lost twins, born from the exact same integral. But they look like total strangers. What happens if we merge their worlds? Smash them together? On the left, we get 2i, double the potential. Curious, but on the right, look at that numerator.
It is an absolute masterpiece of alignment.
And now, our hero steps out from the shadows. The factor. Wait. Do you see it? The top and the bottom, they are a perfect match. It's a total vanishing act. Poof! That terrifying exponential trap? Gone. Deleted. Honestly, moments like this are why I do this. Wait, do you recognize that shape? It's a semicircle. Geometry is the hero we didn't know we needed. With a radius of 2, the area is just half of a circle. Half of pi times 2 squared. Pure simplicity, which collapses into a perfectly elegant 2 pi. If 2i equals 2 pi, then the moment of truth. I equals pi. Absolute mathematical perfection. Calculus brought us to the edge, but geometry takes us home. If that aha moment gave you chills, hit subscribe for more magic.